Remove any imperfections on the edges. We recommend letting the marker set and cure undisturbed, at least a week before moving it to its final place of residence. The older cement gets, the stronger it is. Rebar, fiberglass bits or wire can be added to the mortar in the frame to add strength. If you stand the headstone vertical, we would recommend adding rebar. Laying the headstone horizontal in the ground doesn't require extra strength. Assuming you have no cement working tools or stamp letters to press into the wet mortar, the initial investment will be under $50 but can be used time and time again if washed and cleaned properly. 2 inches by 4 inches by 8 feet is less than $2 and can be reused many times before needing replacing. Total expenditure, once letters, trowels and wood have been purchased, is under $6 for the bag of mortar, per headstone marker. Consider laying these markers horizontally, digging out an inch or two in the ground to lay them in. Placing them upright will invite cattle and wildlife to use them as scratching posts and they will topple over time. Cemetery coordinators and other organizations that make their own headstones remark they have seen these last 75 to 100 plus years. Being a perfectionist doesn't factor into this process. Imperfections add authentic reality to your project. It should also be pointed out that APCRP does not disturb or deface the graves in any way. Rather, APCRP provides identification, dignity and honor to our heritage. Neil Duchesne, Tafopple and founder.